Let's get started. So in this video, we will learn how to add domain in ServerByt. So for that, we will open our ServerByt login page where we can go to login to control panel. Once we click on this, it will redirect us to a page where we can manage our ServerByt hosting. So in ServerByt hosting, how we will navigate to domain section. So we have this ServerByt control panel. So we can see all the details from the right side, and from left side all the options available for us to make changes. So these are the different services that we can manage in our ServerByt. So we will try to navigate down to domain manager. So if you see, by scrolling it, you will see domain name. So under domain name, we have domains. We'll click on that. So it will redirect us to a place where we can add our domain. So you see, manage domains, subdomain, manage DNS. So under manage domain section, just below that, you see add a domain. Here in this section, we will add a domain. So I'm just typing a domain here, which is mummymart.net. So before we add it, let me open this website so that we can make sure it is not added yet. So I'm just opening this website, which is mummymart.net. So once we type in the Google search bar and hit enter, it redirects us to a landing page of GoDaddy. So this domain is purchased from GoDaddy, and from there we will be managing our DNS. So let's go back to ServerByt and hit add domain. So once we click on this add domain, it will take a few seconds and it will add the domain. You see, successfully added the domain name to the package. And one more thing that we need to perform here, if we are managing website from ServerByt, so in that case, you'll have to visit this website that we have added, the domain that we have added, which is mummymart.net. Here you see public_html. So in this place, we will create a new folder under a root folder to create a website under this ServerByt. So I'm just adding a folder name, and we will update it. So this is nothing but to manage our website. If in future, if we want to install any web services or web hosting from ServerByt, in that case we will use this section, so we can simply add our website source file and keep our website running. So as if now we just added the domain here under add a domain section and clicked on add domain. So the next thing that we need to perform is we simply need to log into our domain registrar, which is GoDaddy. As if now you see, I have already logged in this GoDaddy section of DNS management. You see the name of the website, which is mummymart.net, and under DNS management we have these default DNS, which is provided by GoDaddy. So we will be managing name server from here. So we just clicked on name server and change name servers. So once we click on change name server, it will give us an option to make changes. So these are the GoDaddy name servers, which is recommended, but as we are using our own server from ServerByt, so we will be using, I'll use my own name server. So we have two option here to fill in, and we have more option to add if by any chance if any service hosting service provider have multiple servers. So in our case, ServerByt has a multiple name server. So let's go back. You can find this name server on the description of the video or on the Google or from the ServerByt website itself. So this is for your reference, as this website is only added to this account when I was created the ServerByt account. So at that time I have used this domain, and I haven't changed name server for this website. So I'm managing this website from other service provider. That's why I haven't added in this ServerByt yet, and I'm just trying to add another website, and for that we would need this name servers. So let's go back to GoDaddy account, and here I will add this name server. So the first one would be ns1 serverbyte.in, then ns2, then ns3, then ns4. So for your reference, I will be adding this name server in the description of the video, and once we type all the name server in this section, so we'll be clicking on save. This may take some time. Usually it take 13 minutes to an hour, and in few cases it may take 24 hours. So let's click on continue. Your request is in progress. Once the domain is added, we will be able to manage our domain from ServerByt under this cPanel. So that's it for this video.